Alright everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fawaz Perdana. So I would like to explain about my final assignment in forensic linguistics. So first, there are course. The course name is forensic linguistics, and then the next course objective. There are four. The forensic linguistic course aims to first understand the role of language in legal and judicial contexts, and then analyze the use of language in legal document and legal proceedings, and then studying language as an evidence tool in research and conference, and then develop linguistic analysis skill to assist law enforcement objectively and scientifically. And then the next part is benefit of courses. And then the benefit of studying forensic linguistics include helps uncover ambiguous meanings in legal texts, and then the preventing linguistic misunderstanding in legal proceedings, and then becoming the basic for language analysis in criminal and civil case, and then supporting justice through accurate language analysis, and then let's contribute linguistic to the resolution of legal case. And the next part for forensic linguistic theory definition. Forensic linguistics is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between language and law, specifically the use of language in legal context, judicial process, and language as evidence. And then first, according to Colohart and Johnson, 27, forensic linguistics includes the linguistic analysis of legal text, legal interaction, and then linguistic evidence in criminal case. And then meanwhile, Crystal states that forensic linguistics focus on how language is used, abused, or debate in the legal system. And then the next part, cakupan forensic linguistics. And then forensic linguistics has three main scopes. First, language of the law. There are law, rules, contract, court decision, and then the main features. There are formal, technique, complex, and many special terms. And then language in the legal process, language used in legal interaction such as police interrogation, trial, examination of witness, and then court hearing. And then focus on asking strategy, power relation, politeness, intimidation linguistic. And then the next, language as evidence. Language analyzed as evidence in legal case such as WhatsApp message, email, threat letter, social media posts. And then the analyst aim to determining the identity of the author, unveiling intent, and then assess the authenticity of the text. Alright, next part, example of each coverage. So the first example is legal language. Sentence in the law. Any person who knowingly and without rights distributes electronic information. So long and ambiguous sentence can give rise to multiple interpretation. And then example of language in legal proceedings. You know the consequence of lying, right? It is contains psychological distress and implication. And then example of language as evidence from WhatsApp image. If you report it, you are going to get analyzed to determine whether it includes criminal traits. And then the next part, linguistic aspect in forensic linguistics. In forensic linguistics, language analysis use a lot of pragmatic, especially presupposition, deixis, and speech as they help uncover implicit meanings in legal context. So first, presupposition used to identify hidden assumption in legal text or legal speech. For example, the defendant again commit the crime. So it is supposed that the defendant has committed a crime before. And then for example, deixis used to analyze to clarify of reference time, place, and actors. For example, it happened there that day. The word and there are ambiguous without clear context. And then speech aids, it's used to reveal the function of speech in legal proceedings. For example, you admit the deed, right? In the form of question, but it serves as pressure to confess. And then it is for reference. There are Coulthard, Crystal, Olson, and Gibbons. Alright everyone, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your nice attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.